All India Congress Committee AICC has given green signal for two Lok Sabha MPs from Manipur to speak about the year-long crisis in Manipur in the ongoing parliament session. The approval from AICC came after a delegation of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC led by its president K. Meghachandra, CLP leader Okrami Bobby, former Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, along with other MLAs, met with Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, opposition leader Rahul Gandhi and Congress leader Sonia Gandhi recently. Speaking about the development, MPCC President K. Meghachandra said MPCC delegation that visited New Delhi recently met with Congress leaders and informed them about the restive violent crisis in Manipur. In response to their request, Congress leaders in centre have given the green signal to give more time to two Manipur MPs to speak about the year-long crisis in the parliament session. AICC also gave assurance that opposition leader Rahul Gandhi will also raise his voice in the parliament regarding Manipur issue.